Yo, 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 yo. Primal back with another video, and today we're using the A Furnace drill deck, which is meta, to hit 15,000 trophies, so I could push League on this account. Just recently, the regular Furnace got a nerf, like reduced health and slower spawn time for the spirits, and that just means now it does to Fireball Zap. And then what? I think Poison now, fully, which is good. But I think they need to do more. The Evo isn't quite affected because, you know, it just, what? Spawns each attack. So let's do this. Is he playing Mortar? Oh. I do not like playing against Mortar. Okay, his cannon cart sold. Yeah, every deck is using Furnace. It is the most popular card. And I'm just trying to use it to the fullest before it actually becomes unplayable. It's either you play it or you don't. No way it didn't lock. It's on tower. Oh, see? Bad log, but... Wait, good log. Wait, I'm gonna crash out. He's gonna... If he protected that, it would have actually just been... Okay. Well, he got one connection and... Clash Royale isn't one in the... Wait, one after one interaction. It's one over the whole map. I think I'm gonna go and do this. He's gonna... Perfect. Not perfect. Okay, Evo Cannon takes it out. I think he has Evo Mortar. I'll just drill on it this time. Oh wait, I'm leaking. He's gonna fireball me. Which is annoying. Okay. Okay, it's on tower for some reason. And I lost. Wow. That's fantastic. Speaking about fantastic, I'm I'm gonna watch the Fantastic Four movie tomorrow. I hate Mortar, bro. It just always gets a lot. It's a mirror match. Oh, dang it. And they're so hot against these. Get it? Hot. Burn it. Oh wow. Oh man, this furnace is just better, I guess. Wait, what? I guess he overspent. I want him to fireball this maybe? Oh. He's gonna log it, so I'll do this. Alright, mirror matchups are annoying. I'm gonna do this, wait. Yo, I didn't know it also died like, oh, crazy. I didn't know it also died like that. I know he's mad. Did he give up? Oh, I guess not. He's gonna Berserker on mine then. Or not? Okay, he did. Yeah. Oh, I thought he was gonna Fireball that. That's why I lagged. Okay. Nice, he got hit. He's gonna pop ability. I'm up a lot of damage. It's gonna pop. Oh, push. Fireball misses. Oh, I'm so bad. Alright, Epic saved me. And I do not know why he's going that way. Oh, that's what I got. I'm gonna just do this. Berserker going crazy. He's gonna log that. By mighty. Yikes. Wait, I swear I heard drill earlier. Oh, I'm fumbling. I'm fine. Okay, I'm good. What do I do for the drill? That bad Jerry's gonna fireball. I don't know if I was on or not. I don't know. Cannon doesn't catch, but that's fine. Log. Fire Spirit. Holy. Into another match. Guess I cannot pronounce this guy's name. If it's RG, I don't hopefully have a chance. Joe gives me a chance. Yeah, I've thought about skeletons, even though I kinda should've. Wait, it's under level. That's a lot of damage though. I'm gonna have it get pulled. Oh, you never seen that panic, right? Oh, it's on tower. That's so annoying. Oh, goodness. I don't have skeletons to block. It's so bad. I just fireball log. Wait, I need. Well played, thank you, man. Yep. He's already back. Oh, I played that so low, I'm so bad. One hit, please. Oh, I'm low-key gonna ignore that. Oh, not anymore, of course. Okay. Does it actually die to that? Oh, insane. Wait, it didn't. Okay, okay, he just, bro, he just. Gonna draw. High furnace. Okay, here's the lightning. He won. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching. That's the video. Until next time, hopefully I could hit 15K. Peace out, Girl Scout.